For Brayton cycle, fuel in a day tank for use of an industrial boiler is tested with hydrometer. The hydrometer reading indicates a SG 0.924 with temperature of the oil in tank is 30 degrees Celsius. Calculate the higher heating value of the fuel. So, sa pag kung ano kanino kay kasagaran yun ini is YouTube. So, ni-answer ko largo ni nangita formulang feet. So, ang ganda formula is HHV times kilograms per kilojoules per kilograms. So, is equals to 51 200. So, S times G is equals to 0.924. Then, 51,200 times 0.924 is equals to 47,308.8 kilojoules per kilograms. So number 2, an ideal Brayton cycle operates between 15 psi, 1660 Fahrenheit and 100 psi, 1500 Fahrenheit. The compressor and expander are both perfectly efficient. Determine the thermal efficiency. So sa answer na yun largo na ako is P2 to the power of equals 100 over P1. Ang P1 na to is 15 psia. So sa RK, gamit kong RK, no? So P2 over P1 is equals to 100 over 15. Kaya naman tayo P2, 100. So ang answer is 66.67. So is efficient kay thermal efficiency may kipangita. So 1 minus 1 over RK to the power of K minus 1 over 1. So 1 nya 1 dayon nya ang RK na to is 6.67. So ang K na to, no, kay 1.4 nya minus 1 nya 1. Then ang answer is 0.4185. Muna siyang answer. Then if thermal efficiency man, itimes 100. So ang answer ay 41.88%.